Hello and welcome to another update video about Uniswap. It's a coin I don't cover that often, but I had a few requests also from channel members about Uni, and I did cover it a few weeks, if not a month ago or so. And the expectation was here that so I haven't changed anything about this, so it actually followed through nicely. The idea was that this wave 4 would unfold as an Elliott Wave triangle, and that the E wave might have topped here on the 18th of April, which in the end then also played out. So it broke below the signal that I did give you in the last video to watch out for, that this triangle is breaking out, was a break below the B wave low, which was here the $4.79 level, no, $4.75, yeah. Talked about that. A break below the B wave low is a signal that the triangle is breaking. Now I also gave you a first warning level, yeah, which was already obviously a bit too early to really confirm the breakout, but it is a level that, if broken, typically leads or can lead to a break of the triangle. It's certainly a level to watch. The low of the D wave low was at 533, and price has broken since then down, and well, to the low it was over 30%. So I think we had some really good signals here on the chart, and then obviously the trend line as well, even though that was not terribly well defined. Trend lines are not so important in Elliott Wave triangles, all right? So, okay, so it's now heading further to the downside, and we have next support around the third wave low here. This is the minimum level I would actually like it to take out, below 334. So at least there, yeah, ideally a little lower, to get this completed in a clean way in a wave 5. We have obviously, I would say, likely strong support around the previous wave 2 low of the November 2020 lows. No, sorry, 2020 lows. And this is also, to be honest, the last relevant support. So this chart is not not a great one overall. However, we can count it currently as an ABC structure to the downside, which so far hasn't given us any indication that it is bottomed. In fact, we were waiting here for another low on the Uniswap chart, and it will go down lower until it shows us an impulse to the upside. Okay, I showed it to you in some of the other altcoin videos that it would really take a very, very early, honestly, super early signal that the trend is turning around. Here would be a sustained break above the beginning of the fear candle, so that would be a move above 450. If it gets a sustained break, we could say, okay, we have a very early signal that the trend is shifting here, but it would be very, very early. So I would rather want to see a break above this swing high at 543, and then it needs to confirm that by breaking above 650. So it has a lot of work to do. And also on the way down, I only really see 3 waves. So it obviously could be that it's finishing off this 5th wave as an ending diagonal, which would mean that the subwaves are 3-wave structures. Wave 1, wave 2, which would be very short. 3rd wave could be in, this could be a 4th with one more low to come. Yeah, so this is currently how I see it. So we have relevant support around 336. It should go below this if this is the correct wave count in an ideal world. If I zoom out again, then we have more support around $1.70. This is the wave 2 low. Yeah, so but at the moment I have no indication it has bottomed, but yeah, without any impulse to the upside, we just cannot confirm this. You can also add a bit of a trend line now to the chart if you like to observe that. Yeah, so we might just be doing a pullback here to this trend line before selling or further. Of course, a break above the trend line would have at least some bullish implications and could lead to price taking out those resistances that I mentioned. Okay, that's my update about Uniswap. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.